Hello. Say hello.
Well,
Hello. It's February of 2020, and so we are going to go ahead and box our Young Living Essential Rewards order for you. So without further ado, welcome to the circus. Okay, so one of the things that I have been doing is the liver cleanse that you may have seen going around. I've definitely posted on it, and I had a lot of things in my Essential Rewards order last month for the liver cleanse. So I've actually been feeling really good on this cleanse, and it includes Comfortone, Detoxime, and a whole bunch of lemon essential oil. And so thank you. What I have decided to do is keep taking the Comfortone and the Detoxime, and then off and on taking a capsule of lemon when I feel like I need that detox, because my ankles have not been as bloated. My skin is starting to clear up. I'm starting to just feel better and lighter and not quite so. Apparently Grace thinks that I am her toy. But anyway, I'm feeling better overall. And so I would like to keep that process going. So I ordered, again, some Comfortone and some, thank you, Grace, some Detoxime so that I can keep this going next month. Thank you, Abby. Thank you, Grace. Okay, have a seat, girls. So that's the Comfortone and the Detoxime, and that's the reason I ordered that again, because I really liked how I felt. Now, another thing that makes me like how I feel, especially if I've eaten foods that I know I shouldn't, or I have had too much salt and I'm feeling that bloat.
this sounds like medicine.
Anyway, if I'm feeling really extra bloated, alkaline. Alkaline helps to alkalize your body so it's not quite so acidic, but it really helps me with bloat and with feeling yuck. And so I love taking a teaspoon of alkaline in about 8 ounces of water, and I just drink it down. It works kind of like Alka-Seltzer, where it fizzes and it's kind of got a lemon lime flavor. But I would say if you want to compare it to something, it would be the same experience as drinking an Alka-Seltzer. So there's that. But that's my Comfortone, my alkaline, and my Detoxime, and that's the reason I got those.
Sit next to Abby.
Maybe when we're done with the video, but I have something I need you to hold.
Oh my.
I know. What are these big things? It is called Balance Complete. So the reason I ordered 2 Balance Complete, this is actually a meal replacement scoop from Young Living. And you just do 2 scoops. You can drink it with some almond milk if you want that to be a meal replacement shake. So sometimes I do that because it's really, really good and healthy. Has a lot of essential B vitamins, but it also has digestive enzymes in it. And if you caught my video on YouTube about watching a digestive enzyme work, you start to see why that's important. But another reason that's important is because of this little one. She gets constipated like it's nobody's business, and she's 3, so trying to get her to swallow a pill is not that easy. And
Sometimes
we have to use marshmallows.
Well, and she doesn't always.
Sometimes marshmallows help.
Sometimes marshmallows help, but she also doesn't necessarily want to do the chewables like the Mighty Zyme. So if you have a toddler who decides, I don't want to do that, but they will drink a smoothie, so I puree this up with some almond milk and some fruit and a handful of spinach, and I make a good, healthy breakfast for her. You're welcome. But that allows me to still give her those good, healthy digestive enzymes without a fight to get her to chew up a tablet or swallow a pill. And so this is just how I make their smoothies in the morning, so they get good stuff in their tummies, but it also has vitamin A, vitamin E, several different B vitamins, selenium, magnesium, molybdenum, chromium, folate, iodine, calcium, potassium, all sorts of good stuff in here, some fiber. Hey, can you not be a crazy pants? That'd be great. But anyway, so it's got a lot of good stuff in there for them. So this is something that I can also feel good giving them for breakfast. So I got 2 canisters of that because we've been doing that for breakfast quite a bit, haven't we? Haven't we? Another thing, I was running low on my Savvy Minerals mascara, so I got some more mascara. Thank you, Grace. Shall demo it for you. This is the mascara. All right, thank you, Grace. Let's go put that to the side. Not yet. There we go. Okay, so I got a few oils in this order. I don't normally order oils. I just get what comes free, but we're gonna smell some of them. You ready? So this one is Idaho Grand Fir. It just came back in stock. It was also called Balsam Canada or Idaho Balsam Fir for many years, but was out of stock for several years, and now it is finally back. So let's smell.
What about Abby first and then
Oh, Abby first. Okay. Abby, what do you think of Idaho Grand Fir?
It kind of smells kind of like a flowery field mix with kind of like maybe...
You think it smells like a forest? Yeah, I think it smells like a forest.
Yeah.
Do you think it smells like a forest?
Maybe flower filled /
You're picking up some floral notes, huh? I just smell a forest. So like walking through a crisp evergreen forest right after it rains. That's what I smell. I like it. You like it, Grace? Oh, Grace is gone. Bye-bye. Okay, so that was Idaho Grand Fir. It's got a new name. Okay, so now I ordered these because we'll do that after our video. But anywho, so Grace, come sit next to me. We're almost done. I got 2 oils because I use them all the stinking time in the kitchen. What do I use these for, Grace? Come sit.
You use them for...
I use them for making Mexican food, or Grace or Abby, don't do that. I use them in the kitchen. So I use cilantro oil and cumin oil like it's going out of style. I put it in my tacos. I put it in my guacamole. I love these 2 oils. And so, Grace, no ma'am, come sit. We need a nap, and so we're all wound up. So, but I use these 2 because not only do they have good health benefits for me, but they also flavor my cooking in a very natural way that I don't have to be worried about synthetics or chemicals or anything like that. So, and they're super cheap, and I only need a couple of drops and they last forever. Okay, so I got one building a supplement tower over here to the side, and I've got the other one practically hanging from the ceiling. Okay, the last 2 things that I actually ordered that did not come free are Dentarome Plus and Dentarome Ultra. These are my 2 favorite toothpastes. I'm somebody who is prone to tartar buildup, so if you have issues, these are the ones I would recommend for that. Dentarome Plus or Dentarome Ultra, either one, but I like them both, so I ordered them both. Okay, so now let's get to our freebies. Come on, girls. Okay. Grace has had to leave us. We're a little too close to nap time, and somebody was a little too wound up, so she is with Daddy now. But I have one child left who is going to help me get through the remaining things. So now we're going to go into all the things that we got for free this month. So I spent $300 on my Essential Rewards order, and I got quite a few freebies to share with you. So let's take a look at them. So if you spend 100 PV, you will get cedarwood. Go ahead. Okay, yes, you can help talk. So cedarwood is really good. We're not going to open these because I already have plenty of them open. So why don't you slide in here, Abby? And so cedarwood is great for relaxation. One of my favorite scent combos is equal parts lavender and cedarwood. So it's really, really great for sleep. What is your favorite thing about cedarwood, Abby? It's kind of woodsy. It's kind of earthy smelling.
I like it because it's kind of like you could smell it and then you could kind of feel like you're outside smelling the woodsy.
Yeah, that's true. You could feel like you're out working in a wood shop even. Okay, so the next ones that you get for free. Okay, I know I'm going to mix these up. I know that Lang Lang is free with a 190 PV order. And then I just don't remember which one, whether it was geranium or patchouli that is also free. So one of them is free with the 250 PV order, and then the other one you would get cedarwood, one of them, either patchouli or geranium, and lang lang. So lang lang is actually really great for naturally supporting your blood pressure. So if you are somebody who gets stressed out easily, it is something that helps you to remain a little bit more relaxed. And it is also something that it's really hard to say this in front of your child. It helps with the marital bonding process. There we go. Do you have any idea what that means?
It helps you to bond.
It helps you to bond. That's exactly right. It helps you to bond. There you go. So there's that. And I'm so glad that went right over her head. So the other two, so geranium.
I understand that because I know what bond means.
What does bond mean?
Like, bond means kind of like get together.
Get together. That's true. So it helps married people
Like
helps married people to connect. That's exactly right. Okay. So patchouli has a very earthy smell. It is a base note for a lot of perfumes. And so if one of my favorite combinations is patchouli, lang lang, and lime in equal parts. And so the lime has that, top citrusy note. Then you have the floral lang lang note, and then you have the earthy patchouli element. And so I really, really like those combined. And then geranium is another very floral oil. It smells a lot like rose to me. But so those are all free this month. And then the final one with the three, I may be getting these tiers wrong. I don't really pay attention to exactly what I just know what I got for free, but I don't know how exactly I qualified for it. So I'll go ahead and put a graphic at the end of this video so that you can tell what's free and why. But anywho, the other one is rutavala. I am not gonna lie to you, this roll-on smells like stinky cheese feet to me. And so, but that is, the thing that's great is you can roll it on your feet and it is phenomenal for sleep. So if you are someone who struggles to go to sleep or stay asleep, this one works. Oh my goodness, if your kiddo will not stay asleep, roll some rutavala. Yeah, Grace, for sure. Roll some rutavala on that kid. Might have to try that tonight because someone likes to get out of their bed.
And keep trying to wake me up.
Exactly. So, but those are our freebies this month, along with the cedarwood. And I also have a newsletter. So if you're in my group or on my team, I'll also share that to my personal Facebook page so that you can see what was happening in the month of February, what a lot of these freebies are. And if you go down to the very bottom, it actually gives you some pro tips and ways to use these oils so that you can get the most use out of all of your freebies. But hope that helps you. Hope you have a great week. And now we will say bye. Bye.